இப்போ ஓகேவா மேம்? Ma'am, okay, let us start. I think இந்த சம்ல இருந்து தான் பிரேக் ஆயிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So let us start once again. Given the value of A is 30 and the value of B is 25, then value of alpha is 30 and alpha beta 20. We need to find capital N, beta and value of AB and value of A beta and alpha B. And we know this formula N of N is equal to A plus alpha. N is equal to A plus alpha. Then beta is equal to N minus B. 60 minus 25, 35. Then AB is equal to AB dot N. That is equal to 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta dot N. Then N minus alpha minus beta plus alpha beta. Let us substitute all the values. Alpha is 30, beta is 35 and alpha beta 20 given. That is equal to AB 15. AB 15. Next fourth one. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? A beta. A beta. A beta. This is also same. A beta dot N. That is equal to A into 1 minus B dot N dot N. That is equal to A minus AB dot N. Therefore, A minus AB. What is A here? A is 30 minus AB. AB is 15. Therefore, the answer is 15. Therefore, the answer is 15. So, A beta is 15. A beta is 15. A beta is 15. So, next let us say another problem. Another one problem. Another one problem. In a class test, 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 that is 135 candidates were examined. In a class test, in a class test, 135 candidates, 135 candidates were examined, were examined, were examined, then proficiency were examined for proficiency for English and Maths, for English and Maths, proficiency for English and Maths. It is discovered that 75 students failed in English. 75 students failed. 75 failed in English, and then 90 failed in Maths. 90 failed in Maths. mass, then 50 failed in both, 50 failed in both, 50 failed in both. Find how many students, find how many students, find how many students have passed in maths. Question number 1, have passed in maths. And second question, have passed in English. How many students have passed in English? And failed in maths. English, how many students have passed in English, failed in maths, both. Then third one, have passed in both, have passed in both, have passed in both, have passed in both. So first நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா ஆல்பா பீட்டா எடுத்துக்கிறோம். failed in English alpha, failed in maths beta, failed in both alpha beta. So what is given that alpha is 75, beta is 90, and alpha beta is equal to 50, and n is equal to 135. N, total number of students, n, that is equal to 135. We need to find. So fail எல்லாமே alpha beta gamma அப்படி எடுப்போம், past எல்லாமே a b c ல எடுப்போம். இப்போ alpha beta and alpha beta கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Next we need to find the first question, I passed in maths, that is beta. First one, beta oda contrary, so b. Second one, I passed in English, failed in maths. Passed in English அப்படின்னா என்னது a, failed in maths அப்படின்னா a beta. Next third one, have passed in both, அப்போ ab. Have passed in both, அப்போ ab. First one b, second one a beta, third one ab. Let us find. First one, passed in maths b. So b is equal to, already நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும் அப்படின்னா n is equal to b plus beta அப்படின்றது நமக்கு தெரியும். n is equal to b plus beta. ஸோ இதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கலாம், b வேணும், அதனால b நம்ம கொண்டு வந்துடலாம். b is equal to n minus beta, that is equal to what is n, 135, what is beta, 90. 135 minus 90, 45. Therefore b is 45. First one b is 45. Next alpha beta வேணும், a beta வேணும். a beta வேணும் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு என்ன ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும், அடுத்து பீட்டா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ பில இருந்து நம்ம பீட்டா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி, பீட்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன்னு a beta which is equal to bracket போட்டுக்கோங்க, a beta, that is a beta dot n, a beta dot n. a beta எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா 1 minus b, beta எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா 1 minus, otherwise நமக்கு ஆல்பா பீட்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா, அப்போ a வந்து 1 minus ஆல்பா அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம், b வந்து b ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். therefore dot n, therefore beta minus alpha beta dot n, therefore beta minus alpha beta. Substitute பண்ணிடலாம். Beta minus alpha beta. Therefore, which is equal to, what is beta? Beta is 90 minus alpha beta 50. Therefore, the answer is 40. Therefore, the answer is 40. Next, we need to find AB. We need to find the AB. We need to find the AB. So let us find out the third one, AB. AB can be written as AB dot n. A can be written as 1 minus alpha. B can be written as 1 minus beta dot n. Therefore, 1 minus alpha minus beta, then plus alpha beta, already in the derivation பார்த்தோம், dot n. Therefore, n minus alpha minus beta plus alpha beta. So, n is 135 minus alpha 75 minus beta 90 plus alpha beta 50. Therefore, the answer is 20. The answer is 20. Therefore, how many students have passed in maths? How many students have passed in maths? 45. How many students passed in English, failed in maths? 40. Then, how many students passed in both subjects? 20. This is passed in both subjects. This is passed in English, failed in maths. This is passed in maths. ஸோ இதில் இதே மாடலில் 1 or 2 கேட்கலாம், ஏதாவது ஒரு கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுற மாதிரி நமக்கு வரலாம். பட் வி மஸ்ட் நோ தட் ஆல் த ஃபார்முலா. என்லேருந்து எப்படி ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறது, ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டாலேருந்து எப்படி ஏபி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறது, அண்ட் கம்பைன்டு கான்ட்ரரி நொட்டேஷன்ஸ், ஏ ஆல்ஃபா வருது, பி ஆல்ஃபா வருது, பி பீட்டா வருது, எல்லாம் வந்து வி நோ தட். Next, let us see one problem. Out of 500 men, I think this is third. Out of 500 men, once 500 men, 172 were attacked by cholera. 172 persons were attacked by cholera. Attacked by cholera. 178 were inoculated. 178 were inoculated. And of these 128 were attacked. 128 were attacked. And of these 128 were attacked. Find the number of persons. Find the number of person. Number 1, not inoculated, not attacked. Number 1, not inoculated, not attacked. Second one, inoculated, not attacked. Inoculated, not attacked. Third one, not inoculated, attacked. Not inoculated, attacked. Not inoculated, attacked. 500 men totally, 172 were attacked and 178 were inoculated, and of these 128 were attacked. Find the number of persons for the given 3 questions. Let us denote attacked A and inoculated B. Let us assign the attributes. Let us assign the attributes. That is AB, attribute A, attribute A for attacked, attribute B for inoculated, attribute B for inoculated, attribute B for inoculated. Next, attribute B for inoculated. So இதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா, ஆல்பா வந்து நாட் அட்டாக்டு, பீட்டா வந்து நாட் inoculated. ஆல்பா நாட் அட்டாக்டு and beta not inoculated. Not inoculated. That's all. We can do the problem. Therefore, n is equal to, given capital N is equal to 500, persons were attacked. A is equal to 172 and then B 178, B 178, then AB 128. Then let us find the, what is to find the, என்னெல்லாம் find out பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, not inoculated, not attacked, therefore alpha beta, not inoculated, not attacked, and second one inoculated, A beta, third one not attacked, not inoculated, attacked. Not inoculated means inoculation B. So inoculation B means not attacked. It is B not attacked, alpha inoculation B, alpha B, then not inoculated beta, attacked A beta, alpha beta, alpha B, A beta. Next, as usual method தான், alpha beta நமக்கு ஃபார்முலா ஏற்கனவே தெரியும். That is alpha beta. நமக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்க, AB and AB கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Therefore let us substitute that n minus A minus B plus AB. இதை சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிடலாம், இந்த ஃபார்முலா சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிடலாம். Therefore the answer is 500 minus 172, 178 plus 128. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to 278. Alpha beta is 278. Next, second one, alpha b. Alpha b பார்த்தா நமக்கு AB எல்லாமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதனால ஆல்பா மாத்துறேன். ஆல்பா b டாட் n ஆல்பா மாத்திடலாம். 1 minus a b dot n. Therefore b உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடலாம். b minus ab dot n. Therefore b minus ab. What is b? 178 minus ab 128. 178 minus 128 50. Therefore alpha b is 50. Next a beta. Third one a beta. a beta la beta கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஏன்னா நமக்கு ab தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ab and ab கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Therefore a beta dot n a 1 minus b dot n. Therefore a minus ab a minus ab dot n. Therefore a minus ab is equal to a 172 minus ab 128. Therefore a beta is equal to 44. So number of persons not inoculated, not attacked 278. Number of persons inoculated and not attacked 50. Number of persons 44 persons were not inoculated, attacked. Were not inoculated, attacked. Next, consistency of data. 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 Definition: a set of class frequency is said to be a set of class frequency. Class frequency is said to be consistent. Said to be consistent if none of them is negative. Is none of them is negative. None of them is negative. Otherwise the given set of frequency is said to be inconsistent. Otherwise the given set of class frequencies is said to be inconsistent. Is said to be inconsistent. Is said to be inconsistent. Said to be inconsistent. Inconsistent. If it is none of them is negative, means it should be positive. If it is negative, they are called inconsistent data. Inconsistent data. All r should be greater than or equal to 0. let us see one problem. Let us see one problem. That is so that there is some error. So that there is some error in the following data. Some error in the following data. 50% of people are wealthy and healthy. 50% of people are wealthy and healthy. Next, 35% are wealthy but not healthy. 35% are wealthy but not healthy. 25% are healthy but not wealthy. 20% are healthy but not wealthy. So, இந்த டேட்டா கரெக்டா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்றதா இந்த டாபிக்கோட gist. So we need to find whether the given data is correct or not, that is consistent or not. So let us denote that total number of data 100. Then people wealthy and healthy, AB is equal to 50. Then people wealthy but not healthy. அப்போ wealthy A but not healthy அப்படின்னா A beta is equal to 35. Then 20% healthy but not wealthy. So alpha B is equal to 20. Both wealthy and healthy. Then wealthy but not healthy. Then healthy but not wealthy. So நம்ம ஹெல்த்தி வந்து ஏ வந்து ஹெல்த்தின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஹெல்த்தி ஏ வந்து வெல்த்தின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஏ வந்து வெல்த்தி. தென் பி வந்து ஹெல்த்தின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். இதை அப்படியே கால்குலேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஏபி, செகண்ட் ஒன் வந்து வெல்த்தி மீன்ஸ் ஏ, நாட் ஹெல்த்தி பீட்டா, அண்ட் இங்கே வந்து ஹெல்த்தி. ஸோ ஹெல்த்தி மீன்ஸ் பி, நாட் வெல்த்தி மீன்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபா. ஸோ ஆல்ஃபா பி. நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த டேட்டா வந்து கரெக்டாக இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். இது எப்படி செக் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா n கால்குலேட் பண்ணிடலாம். அதர்வைஸ் வேறு ஏதாவது டேட்டா நமக்கு கொடுக்காம இருக்காங்களா? ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா கொடுக்கல. ஸோ வி கேன் ஃபைண்ட் ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா. அதர்வைஸ் ஏ பி ஏதாவது ஒன்று ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஏதாவது ஒன்று லெஸ் தென் 0 இருந்தாலே, ஏதாவது ஒன்று நெகட்டிவ் இருந்தாலே this is not consistent அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லிடலாம். therefore ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா ஆல்பா பீட்டா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றோம். டு ஃபைண்ட் ஆல்பா பீட்டா. ஆல்பா பீட்டாக்கு நம்ம ஃபார்முலா என்ன தெரியும் அப்படின்னா n மைனஸ் ஏ மைனஸ் பி பிளஸ் ஏபி. இதில் வந்து ஒரே ஒரு வேல்யூ தான் தெரியும். ஸோ ரிமைனிங் 2 வேல்யூஸ் நமக்கு தெரியாது. Let us find the values. What is A here and what is B? What is A அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது A is equal to AB minus A beta. Sorry, AB plus A beta. AB தெரியும், A beta தெரியும். சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடலாம். 50 plus 35 that is equal to 85. then B is equal to alpha B plus AB, alpha B plus AB. B change ஆகாது, ஆல்பாவும் ஏவும் மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். இங்கே A சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது, பீட்டா B மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். Then alpha B is 20 plus A beta AB is 50. Therefore this is 70. So AB தெரியும் and A and B தெரியும், AB தெரியும், சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடலாம், ஆல்பா பீட்டா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். Therefore 100 minus A 85 minus 70 plus AB 50. Therefore which is alpha beta is less than 0. The given data is inconsistent. The given data is inconsistent or not true. Inconsistent. Otherwise there is error in the data. There is error in the data. Next இதே method so alpha beta find out பண்ணிட்டாலே we can find out the error. So next let us see one problem. If check whether the following data is data are consistent or not. First one, given that n is equal to 2000, then A is equal to 1854, B is equal to 1507, C is equal to 572, then AB 676, then AC 286, then BC is equal to 270, then ABC is equal to 114. So let us apply the formula for alpha beta gamma is equal to alpha beta gamma dot n. நமக்கு ஃபுல்லாவே ABC ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So let us substitute 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C into n. So let us substitute AB, x minus A, x minus B, x minus C formula. That is 1 minus A minus B minus C plus AB minus plus BC plus AC minus ABC into n. Then that is equal to n minus A minus B minus C plus AB plus BC plus AC and minus ABC. All the data are given. N is equal to 2000 minus A 1854 minus 1507 minus 572 plus 676 plus 286 plus 270 minus 114. The answer is alpha, beta, gamma is minus 815, which is less than 0. Therefore, given data is inconsistent. Given data is inconsistent. Given data is inconsistent. Otherwise, the information is incorrect. Otherwise, the information எல்லாமே ஒண்ணுதான். The information is incorrect. Information is incorrect. Information is incorrect. Next, examine the two sums. Work out பண்ணி பாருங்க. First one, examine the consistency. Examine the consistency. Examine the consistency. A is equal to 800. B is equal to 700, AB is equal to 660, N is equal to 1000. Then A is equal to 600, B is equal to 500, AB is equal to 50, N is equal to 1000. N is equal to 1000. அதை நம்ம செக் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கலாம். Next, independence and association of data. Next, getting independence and association of data. Independence and association of data. Independence and association of data. Association of data. Independence and association of data. Two attributes A and B. Two attributes A and B are said to be independent. Are said to be independent. Are said to be independent if there is a same proportion. If there is a same proportion of A, same proportion of A is amongst B's. As B's as amongst betas. As amongst betas. Or equivalently the proportion or equivalently the proportion of B's, the proportion of B's amongst A's is the same as amongst the alphas, that is first one AB by B is equal to A beta, AB by B, A beta by beta. This is first one. Second, AB by A. Second one, AB by A is equal to alpha B by alpha. Then third one that is alpha beta equal to AB by alpha into beta by n. Fourth one, alpha B is equal to alpha beta by n. These are the four conditions. They are equivalent to independence of attributes. These are the four conditions. The four conditions is used to find the independence of attributes. Find the independence of attributes. Attributes A and B. Note first one, the same as if A and B are independent, then A beta alpha B is equal to AB alpha beta is equal to A beta alpha B. Then association and the coefficient of association. We can use this formula also. In the four formulas use பண்ணி இதை derive பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So we can use to find independency. Next, association and the coefficient of association. Association and coefficient of association. Association and coefficient of association. Coefficient of association. Association and coefficient of association. Delta is equal to delta is equal to, that is 1 by n, otherwise AB minus A into B by n, A into B by n. Otherwise it can be written as 1 by n, this thing, AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha B, A beta alpha B. We can use both the formula to find the association. If delta is equal to 0, the data are independent. First condition, if delta is equal to 0, A and B are independent. Second one, if delta greater than 1, if delta greater than 0, A and B are positively associated. And the third one, if delta less than 0, A and B are negatively associated. Next, there are two coefficients, Yule's coefficient of association, then coefficient of colligation. There are two coefficients. The coefficient are Yule's coefficient. Next one, Yule's coefficient. That is Yule's coefficient is Q. Q is equal to AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha B divided by, அதே term plusல வரும், alpha B plus A beta alpha B. Then coefficient of colligation, that is y is equal to the same thing. Y is equal to 1 minus square root of A beta, then alpha B divided by AB alpha beta divided by the same thing with the plus 1 plus square root of the same thing A beta alpha B divided by AB alpha beta. This is A beta alpha B, AB alpha beta. The same thing கீழே, but different sign. 1 minusல வரும், இங்க 1 plusல வருது. அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கேயும் AB alpha beta, A beta alpha B. Then note note A and B are independent if A and B are independent. If A and B are independent, then Q is equal to Y is equal to 0. Q is equal to Y is equal to 0. Next, if A and B are perfectly associated. Second one, if A and B are perfectly associated, then AB is equal to A. Then AB is equal to A. Hence A beta is equal to 0. A beta is equal to 0 or AB is equal to B. Or AB is equal to B. AB is equal to B. And simply both are 1. Q and Y are 1. Or Q is equal to Y is equal to 1. Or Q is equal to Y is equal to 1. Then A and B are perfectly disassociated. A and B are perfectly disassociated. If A and B are perfectly disassociated, if then Q is equal to Y is equal to -1. Both are -1. Always -1 less than or equal to Q is equal to Y is less than or equal to 1. Otherwise we can write like this less than or equal to and -1 less than or equal to Y is less than or equal to 1. Both are lies between -1 and 1. Both are lies between -1 and 1, like correlation coefficient gamma. Correlation coefficient gamma. The relationship between Q and Y, the relationship between Q and Y is Q is equal to 2Y 1 plus Y square. 2Y 1 plus Y square. Y 1 plus Y square. Next, one problem. That is given that n is equal to N is equal to 930, A is equal to 300, then B is equal to 400, then AB is equal to 230. We need to check whether A and B are first one independent, second one positively associated, positively associated, third one negatively associated, negatively associated. Let us check everything. We need to, if we need to find independency, we need to use the formula AB by N, and that is a delta. Delta greater than 0 that is independent. So first thing, delta is equal to AB minus A into B divided by N. All the data are given. எல்லாமே நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதை substitute பண்ணிரலாம். So AB is 230 minus A 300, B 400 divided by N 930. Therefore delta is 100.97, which is greater than 0. Therefore A and B are independent. Therefore A and B are independent. So default independent ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா there is no association. Next problem. Next அதே sum, that is A is equal to AB is equal to 327, comma A beta is equal to 545, then alpha B is equal to 741, then alpha beta is equal to 235. So இங்க கொடுத்திருக்க பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா AB, A beta, alpha B, alpha beta கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா Q ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு ரெக்வயர்டு டேட்டாவா இருக்குது. Qல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபார்முலா பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா இதே மாதிரி இருக்கும். otherwise we can find Y also. Yule's constant, Yule's coefficient ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். otherwise coefficient of colligation ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ நம்ம Q யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவோம். Q ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, Y ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, நமக்கு சேம் ரிசல்ட் தான் கிடைக்க போகுது. we can identify whether it is positively associated or negatively associated ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். Therefore Q is equal to AB alpha beta, then minus A beta alpha B divided by AB alpha beta plus A beta alpha B, which is equal to எல்லாத்தையும் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடலாம். 327 into 235 minus 545 741 divided by 235 plus 545 741. டேட்டா அப்படியே சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிட வேண்டியதான். So Q is equal to negative. Q is negative. Q is equal to minus 0.6803, which is less than 0, therefore negatively associated. Hence, A and B are negatively associated. Negatively associated. So likewise we can find the association and disassociation and independency. Q is equal to 0 vanda, that is independent data. Y is equal to 0 vandalum independent data. We can check the data using this coefficients, Whewell's coefficients and coefficient of colligation. That's all the theory of attributes. Next heading, probability. 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 First one, it is an experiment. What is an experiment? Definition. An experiment. I think உங்களுக்கு இது notes கிடைச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So, an experiment is defined an action which conceives a sequence of action, that is it is defined as an action. You see, it is defined as an action which are conceived, which we conceive and do or intend to do. Do or intend to do. That is a probability find out பண்றதுக்கு it is a one experiment is very much needed. Next, throughout the experiment we get outcome, whether it is favorable or not, we will get a series of outcomes. Next, random experiment. Random experiment is nothing but a sequence of experiment la ஏதாவது ஒன்று select பண்றது. An experiment is called random experiment when it is repeated under same conditions. It is defined as when an experiment is repeated, when an experiment is repeated under same conditions. That is a trial. Each performance of a random experiment is called a trial. Random experiment ஓட ஒவ்வொரு ரிசல்ட்டுமே நமக்கு ட்ரையல் தான். That is each performance of the random experiment. Each performance of the random experiment is called a trial. Is called a trial. is called a trial. The set of all trials are called sample space. The set of all trials, collection of trials, collection of all possible outcomes. It is a sample space. Sample space. Next heading a sample space. ஒரு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்டோட ரிசல்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே சாம்பிள் ஸ்பேஸ் செட்ல இருக்கும். That is the collection of all possible outcomes. The collection of all possible outcomes. All possible outcomes. All possible outcomes of a random experiment. Of a random experiment. Sample points. Sample points. Each and every element of a sample space. Each and every element. Each and every element of a sample space. Of a sample space. Which is a set S, sample space. நம்ம S ன்னு denote பண்ணுவோம். Sample space S. Suppose if two coins are tossed, what is the sample space? The sample space, of tossing two coins, tossing a coin is sample space S is equal to H comma T. When two coins are tossed, the sample space S is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. Likewise, 3 coins, 4 coins we can use. Then, when a die is thrown, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all sample spaces, and each and every element are sample points. Each and every element are sample points. If two dice are thrown, then S is equal to 1, 1, 2, etc. 1, 6, then etc. 6, 1, etc. 6, 6. There are 36 elements. N of S is equal to 36. Here N of S is equal to 6, and here N of S is equal to, for this one, N of S is equal to 4. N of S is equal to 4. When a pack of cards are taken, so N of S is 52. When a pack of cards are taken, fifth one, when a pack of cards are taken for an experiment. for an experiment. Then S is equal to N of S. N of S or modulus of S, both are same. N of S is equal to 52. N of S ன்னு சொல்லலாம் அல்லது modulus of S ன்னு சொல்லலாம். எல்லாமே நமக்கு சேம் வேல்யூ தான், சேம் நொட்டேஷன் தான். Next, events and expressions. Events and